This is the same lane. Gareth's coming down through the stream crossing. See it there? I've just walked down the pedestrian bridge on one side. So, a little bit muddy. Well, actually, very muddy. There's my foot covered in mud. Lucky me. Alright. There's my tyre tracks from last night. We did this in the dark last night. Didn't know where we were. First time trying it. Ready? Alright, here he comes through the stream crossing. Gorgeous looking Freelander, look at that. Easily coping with it. Oh, watch the bank. It's lovely. Right, now up this hill. Yeah. Carry on going, mate. Carry on going a bit. Yeah, that'll do, that'll do. Nice.